Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the Galaxy A series is here with A52 and A72. If you want to know about the A52, you can check out my last video on my channel. The Samsung A72 is a tad larger with a 6.7-inch display and a 5000 mAh battery. However, the extra size does not add much weight. The phone weight is 203 grams. There is a no 5G version of the A72, at least not yet. This means you get hardware similar to the 4G version of the A52, including the Snapdragon 720G chipset. The Super AMOLED display has a 1080p plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. High brightness mode is available here top for those situations that need 800 nits of brightness. There is an in-display fingerprint reader as well as a 2 megapixel front-facing camera. The A72 gets an upgrade camera with a 3x telephoto lens. It has an 8 megapixel sensor, f2.4 aperture and OIS. The remaining cameras are the same 64 megapixel and 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel macro. The deep sensor is gone, but we doubt many will miss its presence. The phone has a IP67 rating just like its smaller sibling, the A52. Both phones have a advanced Bluetooth that allow you to connect two wireless headsets simultaneously. If you are listening solo, you can plug in a headphone into 3.5mm headphone jack, and don't forget to a Dolby Atmos enabled stereo speaker. The extra battery capacity on the A72 help offset the extra power draw of the larger display. You are still looking at 2-day battery life and 25-volt fast charging support. The A52 and A72 are launching with a One UI 3.1, and as with other Samsung phone, they will receive security update for 4 years and 3 major OS updates. The Samsung Galaxy A72 will be available soon starting for €450. This is for the 6 and 128 gig model. You can also get a 8 and 256 gig option. As a reminder, there is a micro SD slot available. So Russia is getting only the 4G version of the A52 and A72. Both phones are already available through the official site. The Galaxy A72 is one of the great smartphone in 2021. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this A72 smartphone? Also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.